le stakeholder lodebuso namuhla stakeholder lesibalulekile naloko ubone ukuhle ukuthi ingakafiki emaphethelweni le grand plan we consult iParliament ufune kuva imuvo yeParliament ufune kuva inhlitiyo tebandlu ngoba lamalungu eParliament arepresenta lesizwe seMaswati imandate yethu njengamalungu eParliament emhlonishwa nguleyatiwako as per iconstitution yelive lokuthi sidishaya umthetho siphindze futhi simele lesizwe seMaswati from all the corners of the country, from all the constituencies of the country, the 59 constituencies. Bese siphindze futhi senda i-oversight kuyo i-executive loyiholako Mhlonishwa. Sibonga ke lokuthi siyakholwa Mhlonishwa ukuthi le document lento sivetela yona namuhla ikuthathile into considerations iwill yebandlu njengoba siyakhumbula nasi sesibayeni nangibuka iprogram yakho ngibonile lokuthi ukhona eMaswati akhuluma kwaba clear kwevakala nengwenyama umholi wale live naye waphinza wabeka kwaba clear kwevakala waphinza wanika nemandate yokuthi sibhekeke sisebenta etukanayi kwanangumgwaco nangu lofake ekhathi tindzaba dabo transformation lesikholelwa ukuthi this document will address those things.
Honorable members of Parliament, I'm very much humbled this morning to witness a presentation to this honorable gathering, a long-awaited document, one that started as a wild idea and is finally taking shape. Less than 2 years ago, I made a presentation at Sibaya and shared what had long been conceived in my mind, but something I never thought would come to fruition, let alone that I would have to be the one driving its formulation. I find it very interesting but burdensome that the Grand Plan has become such a subject of interest amongst many since then. It is almost as if we're all in one accord, just awaiting for the right moment to come with a long-term plan that would not only take out Eswatini, would not take Eswatini out of an economic conundrum, but that would bring continuity between the normal 5-year term, beyond the normal 5-year term for politicians. Eswatini has made significant progress through successive development plans, including the National Development Strategy, the National Development Plan, and sectoral master plans. However, despite pockets of growth, Eswatini remains far from achieving its ambitions of broad-based prosperity and inclusive growth. Economic challenges over the past decades, including slow GDP growth, limited FDI, fiscal constraints, and high youth unemployment have underscored the urgent need for a bold and transformative response rather than incremental change.
Bahlonishwa ukuthi siyakholelwa ukuthi batakuthatha lokho lesikucontributor nathi njengabahlonishwa bakubukele before bayi-adopte le document bese kusetawuchutshekwa ku-engagwe labanye lapha ku-engagwe labanye lapha ku-engagwe labanye until we come up with the final product bese singathi seyi-grand plan ye-leave. Vele ayo-recommending ukuthi bantu babuyiselwe emakhaya. Aningaba nje clear on that one ukuthi nisho ukuthi bantu ababuyele emakhaya yini or ikhona yini indlela leni proposal lengenda ukuthi bagcine mhlawumbe balapho la nicabanga ukuthi bafike khona mhlawumbe ngibekise engxenye khona ema-instruments lenithaka introducewe balodisefekela bona kungabi ukuthi ayingalokuthi sesihlanganisa lamatiko hamba nemakhaya kanti engxenye nakunalawo esithinde la introduce wako labanye abantu awuthi hey athi lo mcabalo naye ungikhona bese udibekela phansi ke uyadihambela emthatha ipackage yakhe
ngabe level ama colleges ethu asaproduce lesifunako yini ngoba seproduce lesaturated market.
Is this in line with the constitution of the country? If it is not, then we need to go deeper and look into it. When an office like the PM, like the body, is going to be merged with other ministries. Yet in the constitution, it is specifically stated in section 66(1), which is the office that is going to be part of the cabinet. The Prime Minister, like the PM. Now, so all major ministries there are we still in line with the constitution of the country by so doing.
Lengithike grant batasifakela ukuthi siwathola kanjani ntongweni wethu amaphilisi ngahloka ngomzansi ngiphume khona lapho Mr Speaker ngingene kubake bathenza indzaba ya marijuana asensi siyayilegalize le marijuana sinayo imishini letawo extract maybe leyo oil from the marijuana yini labayibonile kuyo sitawona njani sitabana ema-licenses tawa ishusha njani fanele batatilimela ukuthi bayisa kuba sengisiselegalize engibutala wethu
i-realistic kanganani le-brand plan nawubuka nokuthi this is 30 years kanti thina sikhona sikhashanyana isikhathi sethu lesiselenyana 3 years or less. Clearly it has been a pattern ukuthi nakuqala kwahulumende kuyatendele kwakhe. I would have expected, Mr. Speaker, a short-term plan. Leati gonna Prime Minister Russell, where what's law was in charge of the short-term lay it out kichimanayo, and this is what I want to achieve. Njengoba nje bebondiwa labo Ezra, more speed, nabo business unusual. So lama short-term plans, but the long-term, beautiful as it may be, but there is no conviction to see it out.
Is presently sitting alala bakhona nyalo because this is a 30-year plan. But then what is happening with the present unemployed graduates? Bengingaphosa isivivaneni ukuthi ngabe le grand plan can't it consider ukuthi ibe ngiyo letawuba semkhathini in getting jobs in the diaspora for the unemployed eMaswati, atawusitakala eMaswati, even the nation or the country will benefit ngithola i-remittance kokuthi kube ne-brain drain kangwane.
Mhlawumbe lo muntu lokunyela Mr Speaker indzaba yale coal versus emissions. We believe ukuthi presenter you can make 1,000 megawatts normally. But now presenter lapha akhuluma nge-climate change yena. I understand ukuthi emalahla azowashisa nje phakamisa intuthu yetulu yokucabana mhlawumbe nemthathwazi sithini lapho ukuthi sichubeke nemalahla noma nje uyasidlalisa le presentation yakhe.
Ngiphinde bese sengiphinde ngiva ukuthi kunaleti kunalenye solution ngibona ukuthi ibese sekhiya lamatiko ukuthi lokunye nangabe itiko lifuna kwesebenza kufanele uqela lokunye kusebenza ngikubukile ukuthi kuyenda ukuthi lelitiko lamanye angahlanganiswa ungenda lokho ukuthi kube belula lokho ukuthi kusebenze ngoba kuyasebenza agriculture ithi afuna uqela imvumo ka authority ukuthi ufuna kujuba kuhlala athi authority cela naku uhambe isikhathi noma sokhanda athi ministry leyo yaka ICT ufuna uyocela ka comments ufuna uyocela kelinye litiko ukuze khona kusebenza lokho ke ngibuke ukuthi kutabe sekuba sisombululo njani kule grand
which ngiva ngazuthi le initiative yokuthi sendele international education training it would help a lot of eMaswati. But ngine question, let's see how best can we do this ngoba nangubuka our challenge is that the curricula that is done kule international education is very expensive for eMaswati. Liqiniso lithi kugcine kuya labantu ababo A vele bo C abaphumelele kugcine befike lapho. ngazi sikhuluma ngekuthi kunalama UWC schools lothola ukuthi vele kuyabuhuze nhuze. How best can we do it to open it for every Liswati to access that? Phindze ngicela kubuta kwekuthi you spoke of training teachers labatawukhona to teach this curricula. Lengiva ngazuthi sitting a way of finding out what is ngenda kanjani, because these teachers are already demotivated because nalaba study shile, they are not recognized. This is just a neglected profession. So how best can we do it to motivate these teachers to upgrade themselves, to get to a position labatawufika khona sikhone kwekuthi bangene kule international education kahle bakhone kutrainwa to teach it.
Na ukwathi inkundla kusebenza kanjani nekuthi live likhungelwe kuphi ngoba singavumelana la cha ingiyo nase yobikwa la futhi ibuke khona itawuphasa yini ukubuka kwenu.
Ngabuta nje kule panel yami lapha lethi in as much as was display lapha sine challenges ma politicians lokungihlete nje la abantu balambile emakhaya ngabe ngendani nje kwanyalo because yonke into inema short term nema medium nema long term plans
uthi umuntu asakushilo konke kubonga ingabe ngoba konke lokunye uma uqhiliza ngala kuhamba abantu uyafuna place ngala sitaba nato ndimali ngoba makhamba abantu kufuneka ibudget ubhadale labo bantu kukhona lokufuneka kwendeka, otherwise lokungathindi constitution bengathi mina akabuke uhulumende ukuthi kukhona ndangakwenda kulo sekukhulunywa kangaka ngako la kuhle. Ngiyabonga Mr. Speaker.
Uthi le nkinga lesi siyayisolva ngaliphi ngoba phela lesikhuluma ngako sikhuluma esigabeni sekuthi akube nema controlling measures. Lokho ngikhulumiswa yini Mhlonishwa Speaker, ngikhulumisa ukuthi letimoto nasingadibisele sithi tiba lamatikweni taba mabhala alabo minister vele kugcine lokuganga kungananga ngoba kuphela kuganga akusho ukuthi kulokweba le mali ngilokuthatha lento lengameli usebenzise wena so uphinzo uyakusebenzisa wena ngile corruption le